Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about how to install freeze version of Oracle VirtualBox. So, last time what happened? I had an issue with the oldest version, and for that why I have removed the older version. So first, what you need to do, you just go to the uninstall and change program folder, and here you can remove the older versions. See, the older version is the VirtualBox 5.3, which I am going to uninstall. So it is removing the older versions of VirtualBox. And once it will remove, we will go and download the latest version of VirtualBox from Oracle VirtualBox website, and we will reinstall it. So reinstalling VirtualBox, before that we need to remove the older versions. So right now our Windows is removing the oldest version here. So it's done now. So here we need to restart the PC. So I am going to restart my PC. Once I will restart my PC, yeah, so restarting my PC, and now I'm going to download the newest version. So where we need to select the Windows hoster, because I'm hosting that VirtualBox into the Windows operating system. So here I have downloaded the latest version. I'm going to run it. Here look at here. So here you can select the next button. Here you have to select the no need to change anything. Now you can see that Oracle VirtualBox 6.0.12 is installing. Here you need to select that, check this Windows box and install it. Right now Windows is installing for us, so no need to do some extra effort and all. You just keep watching how I am doing that. You just need to see the video, and you need to process it. So where we can finish it, and just selected finished button, and we are going to configure the Oracle VirtualBox, which is newly set up. So here you can see that we can see the new versions about Oracle VirtualBox. This is the 6.0 version. So you can click on new, and here you can just give the name, because we are going to map the older VirtualBox hard drive into the newer Oracle VirtualBox. So I have Windows 64 bits. Here we need to select the RAM size, and because we have existing VirtualBox hard drive from the older, so here just we need to map it. So mapping into, just go and just select, add it. Yeah, Here is the old version. So select the choose button. So yes, and after that select the create buttons. Once you will create, you can see that Windows is ready to perform the action. So here I am going to map another operating system called Ubuntu 64 bits, uh, which is we have already. So that is also I am going to map it. Here I have selected RAM size, that is 3.5. Here I am going to select the older VirtualBox hard drive. Yes, and select the create button. Okay, so I have created. Now I'm going to restart Ubuntu 64-bit. Just you select Ubuntu 64-bit and you have to just click on start. Now let's see. Hope it should work. Yeah, it's working. So Oracle. So you can see that Ubuntu 64-bit is running under the new Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, so it is asking for password. So everything is correct here. So no need to do some extra effort. Let's move to the configuration path where the VirtualBox drive is there. So you can go to the C user and your user profile, and you can see that VirtualBox BMS is there, one file, which is the configuration file. So first what you need to do, you just copy from here and make it as a backup file. So see how I am doing that. So I have just copied here and change this folder as a backup file. Why I did like that? Because suppose in future if anything happened, so I will remove that file which is in C users and your profile drive. You just delete this profile and put it your backup folder into this place, and it will work. So this is what I did. So please share and subscribe Open Source Guruji channel, and thanks for watching Open Source Guruji. I would like to bring a lot of stuff in future. Thanks for watching.